really going down in the side, bitch. Yeah, nigga. We know hip-hop and rap and all that shit started in the motherfucking East. Know what I'm saying? Then it went to the West Coast and they did it a little bit better, know what I'm saying? But now it's our time to shine down here, nigga. Know what I'm saying? So since y'all niggas keep saying we ain't real hip-hop down here, we don't wanna be down with you bitch-ass niggas. So y'all stay up there with that bullshit. This country rap tune down here, nigga. Young Pimp, Young Fun, Underground King.
7 motherfucking balls, man. What's going down, people? Hey, man. Want to start off by apologizing for the hold up, man. I had a hell of a time at the event. August 13th, we had a ball, man. I got so drunk. I'm not gonna lie, I got totally drunk. It took me days to recover from this shit. Nigga just felt tired. I was burnt out. I gave my all, man. You know what I'm saying? I gave my all. I was so drunk that night. My draw was around my neck. Lost my fucking ID. Like, I'm just out of there, man. You know, I need to stop getting so turned up at these events. But I'm back, man. 7 motherfucking ball. I'm going ahead and recap this motherfucking Shotgun Suge versus fucking Briz Rothstein. Every time I try to chill, you niggas throw a battle out here and make me talk my shit, man. It's not going to be a long vlog, man. I got a lot of shit to do, so I'm going to give it to y'all straight and real. Briz, you came out rough to the bitch. You came out tapping on the big Suge, you feel me? I thought that was cool, you know what I'm saying? I thought you was doing something different. But the way he jerked your little ass up, boy.
What we got in here, nigga? Should be seeing these motherfucking pockets, nigga.
Oh, the way he jerked you.
Motherfucking pockets, nigga.
Oh, the way your hat flew. Oh, the way he jerked your little ass up, boy. He jerked your little ass up, man. It just looked stupid. But anyway, man, after he jerked your ass up, you came up with a fire ass ball, the tampon string.
The clip hanging out the butt like a tampon string.
Shit like that, shit like that, shit like that.
Bang.
That was crazy, dog. You know what I'm saying? I was fucking with that. And when you was talking about the grapes and the wet 'em up shit, I was fucking with that as well, man. You had a dry ass first round. I'm not gonna front. It was a real dry ass first round. We gotta keep it a stack. Suge came, my man. He did the shooting the documentary ball. Oh my god, that was crazy.
I'll follow him around. I'm shooting a documentary. Yo.
Shit like that.
He had some other ball talking about the Terminator. I'm like talking about the memory or some shit. It was some shit he had. I'm not gonna lie. Suge's first round was better than your first round, so I gave Suge the first round. You know what I'm saying? Briz in this second round, he had the Terminator 2 shit. I was fucking with that. You know what I'm saying? I was fucking with the R. Kelly shit. You know what I'm saying?
Baby, I leave a blue rag on the baby. My machete, R. Kelly is going half on the baby.
Shit like that, shit like that, shit like that.
Man, but I got a question, man. What is up with you and fucking machetes?
My machete, I split them down the middle, my nigga, and make a double barrel. My machete, disloyal. I'ma tell them niggas why. My machete, get lost in your face. It gotta draw a map up in it.
Man, that is your weapon of fucking choice. Nigga take a machete to kill your bitch. Take a machete to kill your grandma. Nigga take a machete to kill your kids. Nigga here gonna cut the other side of your face with the machetes. Love machetes, man. Stop with the fucking machetes, Briz, alright? Anyway, dog, that second round, dog, I gave that shit to, that second round to Suge too, bro. But, no, I gave Suge the third round. Suge's second round was so damn short, I had to rewind it to see if I was tripping. Literally. Like, that's how quick it went. I was looking around or some shit, and I turned back, and Briz was rapping again. You know what I'm saying? Stop cheating Smack out his money, man. Y'all stop doing that whole ass shit, dog. Get Smack his money work, man. Anyway, Briz had the shotgun under the arm. I was fucking with that, dog. Blow through your tissue like a snotty nose. I was fucking with that. But Briz, your last round was whack, bro. It was whack, long, and dry, man. Now Suge's third round was fire, bro. He came out with the rock bottom line. He came out with the motherfucking salt shaker line. Like, damn.
Breaker, I'll put holes in top here, salt shaker.
Shit like that. Shit like.
And that motherfucking What's Your Life Like? That was one of the best What's Your Life Likes, man. I'm not gonna lie.
What is life like? While you was trying to be a crime fighter, I was in a trap, pulling all-nighters. What is life like? While your mother came home to finish chores, collard greens and hot chicken, my mother came home to weed smoke, baking soda and pots missing.
Shit like that.
Overall, man, once again, I'm gonna keep it a stack, bro. These recaps are not gonna be long because these battles be so bullshit. Bro, this battle overall was bullshit. If you want to see replay value, you only really want to see Suge damn near throw Grizz ass across the goddamn stage.
In his motherfucking pockets, nigga. In his motherfucking pockets, nigga.
But other than that, man, no fucking replay, man. I keep it too trill, man. That's why the motherfuckers will never fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? I keep it too trill. Like, the way I am, they don't want to see that. You can't have that in the vlog world. Motherfucker keeping it too trill because everybody what they gonna do? Motherfucker gonna see 7 Ball, want to kill 7 Ball, want to jump on 7 Ball because I keep it too trill. You niggas once again got over on Smack, man. You niggas got over on Smack. I don't see how. Once again, I don't see how you niggas battle and after the battle, Smack congratulate y'all. Like, that was a lot. I wonder if he keep it trill with y'all and tell y'all the fuckery that's going on, man. It's crazy. Overall, I got Suge 2-1 another dry ass battle. I'll have the Big T and Jun battle up for y'all, but what's crazy is I'm gonna show y'all some shit. I'm gonna recap the Big T versus Jun, and then in the same shit, I'm gonna go on ahead and recap the Focus versus Saya. I'm gonna do both of them in one recap just to show y'all that Southern battle rap is more exciting than what I be seeing on URL sometimes. Not every battle. I'm not gonna say not every battle. But niggas come to work on this Southern shit. Niggas take a check on the URL shit. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Other than that, 7 motherfucking bars on my man. Y'all check us out September 4th. Houston Barcode, Ammo Gang, man. Fire ass call. We're gonna have Big T, one of the, you know what I'm saying? Him, Big T, JC, I get them too. They probably came to H-Shine and seen what it was. And we finna just start bringing the Smack rappers down here and cutting their heads off. Y'all don't want to give us PGs or put them. Not even PG. It's all y'all want to do with the Southern battle rapper is put us on the PG cards and never hear from us again. So we just gonna bring y'all ass down here, pay y'all a little bullshit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And kill y'all on camera. That's how we rocking now. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, 7 motherfucking balls. I'll be back with another recap, a dry ass recap from this dry ass card that they threw. This whole card event was dry as hell, and I know that the Big T shit gonna be dry too. I hope that's the last battle. I hope that's the last battle. Please let it be the last battle from that shit. Please let it be the last battle. 7 motherfucking balls, man. I'm fucking out, man. Southern.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.